Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a Sunday market analysis on the the S&P futures market. And last week we were looking for a breakdown and we were looking for a move into this area. It did hit this support area, which was an intermediate support. I didn't really look at it as a major support, but the market sometimes does the least expected scenario, and that's pretty much what it did. It held here and popped up last week, and right now I'm looking at 1966 as providing pretty good support into this blue box here, which is 1978 up to we'll call it 1987. So I think somewhere in the middle is most likely where price will get to. And then from there it'll start to pull back a little bit, and that's what we really want to pay attention to when it does start to pull back a little bit. And this blue box would be support. It would begin at 1964 and go down into 1956. So we want to watch that 1964, 1960 area and upper 1950s as a possible support. And supporting here would propel price into this area up here, which is anywhere from 2002 into 2023. So that's what we would be looking for. From there, there's definitely a possibility that price can go a little bit higher than that. I don't really think it goes past 2050 if it does get over that 2023 area. So it really is going to be dependent on what price can actually do. And it should be quite interesting. It can support in this anywhere from 1990, 1994, 1993, anywhere below 2000 can possibly be resistance. It's not my primary outlook, but it is possible. If that were to hold as resistance and it sell off, or if it were to break this area, I would be watching this box like we had last week, anywhere from 1930 into that 1913 level. So that's really what I would be looking for this week. We'll have to see what actually plays out. Like I said, 66s should be support into this blue box. That's what I'm looking for, and then from there a little pullback and a move higher. But we do want to be aware of every scenario that's possible. There might be a scenario that I'm leaving out right now, but if it is, it probably won't show itself until the week begins. Usually I go over analysis for the trading room, and I may or may not split that off as a separate service depending on the emails that I get, feedback, and what people are saying. Right now it seems like some people would like me to do that. So if I get a lot of interest in that, I will do that, because that's what the site's about, is really to help others. That's the whole concept of the site. So anyway, with that, hopefully you enjoyed the video. You can always leave comments below. You can also email me directly, support@businesswithtrading.com. Thanks for watching. Have an excellent rest of your weekend, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.